Today we will study another one chapter from grammar, that is Karaka Prakarana. For examination purpose, we may got one long question. For example, what is the Karaka? Explain the Ditya or Titya Karaka. Or for 5 marks question, we may got any one Karaka explanation, because because we'll study this one Karaka Prakarana. Another one 5 marks question, that one is the error in the sentence. Find the error in the sentence or correct the sentence. We will get the examples from this one chapter. That is the Karaka Prakarana. Now, Yat Kriyanvayi Tat Karakam. The definition of the Karaka is the Yat Kriyanvayi Tat Karakam. Kriyajanakam Karakam. Yat Kriya Sambandha Prapnoti Tat Karakam. Kriyam karoti iti karakam. That means one which who follow the verb is called as the karaka, or one which generate the any action is called as the karaka. One which gets the action then can also be called as the karaka. One which close connection to the verb is especially the relation between the verb and karma pada is called as the karaka. Generally, we say that which one is the relation between the kriya and kriya pada, or kartru and kriya pada is called as the karaka. For example, Ramaha phalam khadati. Ramaha khadati. Ramaha is the whatever the khadati is the kriya pada. The following the Kriya Pada, whatever those things are there, that is called as the Karaka. This is also known as we may be called as the Vibhakti Karaka. There are totally 6 Karakas are there. First one is the Kartru Karaka. Generally, it indicates the Prathama Vibhakti. It is the subject of the action. Then next second one is the Karma Karaka. It indicates the Ditya Vibhakti. That object of the action is called as the karma karaka. Next one is the karana karaka. That is related to the tritiya vibhakti. That is the instrument. The kartru completes the work by this instrument, that is called as the tritiya vibhakti. Then fourth one is the sampradana karaka. Sampradana, that means the recipient is called as the sampradana karaka. Next one is the apadana karaka. That is the Panchami Vibhakti. That means the separation is called as the Apadana Karaka. Next one is sixth one is the Adhikarana Karaka. That is the Saptami Vibhakti. The place is indicating this one. Totally there are 6 Karakas are there. That means 7 Vibhakti Pratyayas are there. Totally 6 Karakas are there. Kartru, Karma, Karana, Adhikarana, Apadana, Sampradana. Totally 6 Karakas are there. The Shashti Vibhakti is not considered as the Karaka. It is general one. Now we will go through them. First one is the Kartru Karaka. Panini explained the definition of Kartru Karaka is the Pratipadikastha Linga Parimana Vachana Matre Prathama. Niyato, that means where is the we found the Pratipadikastha? Linga, Parimana, Vachana, there should be used which Vibhakti? Prathama Vibhakti. Because the Pratipadikastha means Mula Rupaha. That is that Panini says that what is the Pratipadika? Niyato Upastikaha Pratipadika. Niyata Upastikaha Pratipadika. That means which one is the Mula Rupa, Mula Shabda, that is called as the Pratipadika. Rama is the Pratipadikastha Shabda. Matra Shabdasya Pratekam Yoga. Pratipadikastha Linga, Pratipadikastha Matre, Linga Matre, Adhika Matre, Parimana Matre, Sankhya Matre, Prathamasya. Where should we use the Prathama Vibhakti? That means if indicating the Pratipadikastha, the word in indicating the Pratipadikastha, then it is called as the Prathama. That we should use the which Vibhakti? Prathama Vibhakti. They are given the example Uchchaihi, Nichaihi, Krishna, Sridnyan. Which one is in the screen? Uchchaihi, Nichaihi. That means indicating the up and down. the Krishna मूल शब्द that should be in the प्रातिपदिकार्थ श्री ही ज्ञानम. मूल रूप का अर्थ प्राप्त करने के लिए we should use the which vibhakti प्रातिपदिकार्थ. Then he gives the linga matra. If we want to know the linga of that one shabda, we should go to the prathama vibhakti. That is, we must go to the kartrukaraka. They have given the example, Panini has given the example, tataha, tati, tatam. Tataha is the pullinga, tati is the strilinga, tatam is the napumsakalinga. Tataha, that only one shabda is a tata. That one you should be using the all three lingas. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga. In the Sanskrit, we know that the linga is not according to the object, the linga is indicating according to the shabda. Because they have given the example here, tataha is the pullinga, tati is the strilinga, tatam is the napumsakalinga. If we want to know the meaning of the shabda, gender, now we know indicating the gender, it should be by the kartrukaraka. Next one is the pramana matra. Pramana. That one is the measurement. They have given the example is the drono vrihi. Drono vrihi. That means that in the vrihi, drona is the measurmental word. That means the measurmental word should be used in the Prathama Vibhakti. That is called as a Kartrukaraka. The measurmental word means, for example, we can't say that 5 liters of the milk. We say just only 5 liters. 5 liters. We will not use 5 liters like this. One is the 5 kgs. 10 we will not say like this. Only we say 10 kg. In the same way, wherever the pramana is there, pramana shabda should be used in the Prathama Vibhakti. Next one slide. Here, Sambhodhanecha. That means Sambhodhana word should be used in the Prathama Vibhakti. That means one that employs even in the case of addressing, it is sure that is that thaka except as the sambodhana. For example, when we are addressing another one, before that we use any other. For example, hey Rama. Hey is the sambodhana vacha. Wherever the sambodhana word should be there, that means you should be used in the prathama vibhakti. Because in the vibhakti pratyaya, we say Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, prathama. In the print book printed, we say Hey Ramaha, Hey Ramo, Hey Ramaha. That means after the prathama vibhakti, then we will read the sambodhana vibhakti. Because by this one is the sutra. Which one is the sambodhanecha? Next, second one karaka, karma karaka. Sutra is the karmani tvitiya sat. Karma shabda should be used in the dvitiya vibhakti. That is anukte karmani dvitiya. The sutra artha is there. Anukte karmani dvitiya. Not necessary to say this one is the karma. Wherever the karma shabda is there, it should be used in the dvitiya vibhakti. That means it is the karma shabda, it is the that one. Wherever the indicate, not necessary to say. Wherever, that means anukte, na yukta, anukte. That means not say like this one, anukte, he, na yukta. Not necessarily say that this is the karma shabda. Where is the karma shabda bhava is there, we should use the dvitiya vibhakti. Because what is the karma? Then next one sutra, he explained that one is the karturipsitamam karma. Karturipsitam karma is the karma karaka sutra. According to the Panini, that which is the instantly tapa desired by the agent is called as the karma. When the agent desires to secure the something, he must have some instrument. So, in so doing, that instrument is his action. That one the word indicating karma. Normally it takes a dvitiya vibhakti. According to the rule, karmani dvitiya, that one is. That means the object is called as the person. The person doing the work is called as the karma. For example, karturipsitamam karma. Kartuhu ipsitamam. Ipsitamam is the closest proximity. Kartu kriya aptumishtatamam karakam karma sovnyasat. Kartruhu kriya. The kartru doing the kriya aptumishtatamam. Which one is the most Aptumishtatam, closer proximity to kartun kriyapada, that word is called as the karma. That wherever the karma should be there, it should be used in the dvitiya vibhakti, because it is called as the karma. Karmani dvitiya. Next one. For example, in the last one, we got the Dvitiya Bhakti, Ramah Karyam Karoti. Ramah Karyam Karoti. Karyam Shabda is the more related to the Kartrupada and Kriyapada. That one is the Ramah and Karoti, because that is more closer to the Rama Shabda, that is Karta Shabda, because it is called as a karma. It should be used in the Dvitiya Bhakti. Now we'll go to the Tritiya Karaka, that is called as a Karana Karaka, which is in your screen. That is called as a Sadhaka Samam Karanam. That means in this sutra, which explains the Karana Sodhya, that which is most powerful and sufficiently helpful in the accomplishment of an action is called as the Karana. That means accomplishment of the action is called as the Karana. The instrument, the Kartru completes the work by which instrument it is called as the Karana. That means the Karana is one, the action of the which is responsible for the accomplishment. Normally, the Karana Sodhya governed by the two things. Because they say Kartru Karanayos-tritiya. They say that Kartru Karanayos-tritiya. Anabhite Kartari Karanayecha tritiya sat. Anabhite Kartari Shabda, Karana Shabda, which one is the Tritiya Bhakti. Kartari Karana means, next one, they have given the example. Ramena Banena Hato Vali. Sugriva complete the work of Hanan of Vali by the Rama. Rama completed the Hanana Kriya by his Bana. Because these two words, Ramaha, Banaha, that means Kartru is complete the work by which instrument, or Kartru takes the help to complete the work by which instrument, that is called as the Karana, that is called as the Kartru. Because the Kartru and Karana, Kartru means completion of work, Karana means help. One is the object, another one is the action. These two is called as the Karana. Wherever we find the Kartru and Karana Shabda, you should be using the Tritiya Bhakti. That is because called as the Karana. Then they give the example, they give definition of the Kartru Shabda. Kartru means Swatantra Karta. Kriyaya Swatantrena Vivakshito Arthaha Karta Sat. Kartru means what? Swatantra Karta. Kriyaya Swatantrena Vivakshitartham. The Kartru, that means Kartru means completion of work by Swatantrena, by freely, by him only. Because him is called as the Kartru Shabda. Here Rama is the Kartru because he completes the work of Hanana. Because him is called as a Karta. That means then Sadhaka Tamam Karanam. Karanam means Sadhaka Tamam Karanam. Kriya Siddho Prakushtopa Karana Sodhyam Sat. Kriyaya Siddho, to complete the work. Prakushtopa Karanam, which one is the main reason? That is called as the Karana Sodhya. Rama, Banena is the Karana. Rama is the Karta, Banena is the Karanam. Because they say that Rama completes the work by the way of Hanana Kriya of Vali, by the way of Bana. Bana se unko Hanana Kriya, because it is called as the Prakushtopa Karakam. For another example, Chamachena Khadami. Khadami is the Kriya Pada. Chamachena Khadami. I will eat it through the chamacha. That means I take the help of the chamacha to complete the eaten kriya. Because that is called as the karanam. Because sadhakatamam karanam is the second. Next one. Sampradana karaka. That one is called as the chaturthi sampradani. Vipraya gam tadati. Example is there. What is the sampradana? Karmana imabe preti cha sampradana. That means what the sutrartha is that danasya karmana imabe preti cha sampradana sodhyasat. Sampradana means what? Danasya karmana. Dana. If you give the charity to anyone, that one is called as the, to give anyone, the recipient is called as the sampradana. Because Raja Vipraya Gam Dadati. A complete shabda. Raja Vipraya Gam Dadati. King gives the Gava means cow to the Vipra. Because that Vipra shabda is called as the Sampradana Karaka. Karmana Yama Vipreti. The karma who takes this one. Because they said that the general sutra of for Apadana Karaka. Dhruvam Apayo Apadanam. Another one is. Dhruvam apayo apadanam. Means what? The separation, karmanam pretita sampradanam. The recipient is called as the sampradana. The who is the recipient shabda is there, he should be in the chaturthi vibhakti. That one is called as the sampradana karakaha. Another one is the Hari Devi. Here, in the chaturthi vibhakti, the sutra indicating sampradana saujna means which one is the object. The action is the given. The someone is approached through the action, that kriya, that is also called as the sampradana. That means approached through the action is called as the sampradana. That means that is a chaturthi vibhakti. Another example, Rushi devebhya harim dasyati. Rushi devebhya havim dasyati. The Rishi Deva के लिए हविष्य देता है. That means Devebhya, to whom he has given. That means him is called as the recipient. He should be in the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Another one is there. Here one Vartika is there. Namaswasti Swadhyaya Vashat Yogascha. That means it is not in the screen. Namaha Swasti Swadhyaya Vashat Alam. Wherever we found these words, following word should be in the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Each one is exam purpose, it is most important one, because that one they say that one is the Devam Namaha. It is incorrect sentence. What is the correct sentence? Nama Shabda is there, following Shabda should be in the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Because that is called as the Devebhya Namaha or Devaya Namaha. Devaya Namaha, is the correct one. Devam Namaha is the wrong sentence. Like this one, we will find the examples from this one, Chaturthi Bhakti. Now we will go to the Panchami, Apadana Karaka. Dhruvam apayo apadana. Apayo vishleshitaham asmin madhye yad dhruvam adhibhutam karakam tad apadanam syat. Apadane panchami. Grama dayati. Dhavato ashvat patati. Ityadeyah. Dhruvam apayo apadam. The general sutra of apadana karaka is the dhruvam apayo. That means separation. That means dhruvam apayo. That means separation. Perfect separation is called as apadana. That means generally, that means, but when we additional sense here, we construct with separation. That means, for example, rukshat phalam patati. The phala is separated from the ruksha because the ruksha shabda should be used in the panchami vibhakti. Because rukshat phalam patati. What we say that? Rukshat phalam patati. Phalaha is the separation. That is apadana. That is apadana means dhruvam apaya. That means perfect separation. Here they have given the example, grama dayati. He is separated from the grama. The grama shabda should be in the panchami vibhakti. Grama dayati. Gramat ayati. Just to sandhi ho gaya. Gramat ayati. Grama dayati. Another one they have given the example, dhavato ashvat patati. He is fallen from the ashva. He is fallen from the ashva because ashvat patati. Ashvat shabda used in the panchami vibhakti. He is separated from the ashva. Ashwa shabda is called as the apadana. Wherever the apadana is indicating one, that one should be used in the panchami vibhakti. Because dhruvam apayo apadanam. Then rucharthanam, as all the ruchi shabda should be used in the panchami vibhakti. Next we will go to the Shashti, that sixth one. That one is the adhikarana karakam. Saptamyadhikarana. The Saptami Shabda should be in Adhikarana. That means Adhikarano Saptami Syat. Chakarat Bahulantikarthebhya Slash should be in the Panchami. That means Saptami. That one is called as the wherever the place Kate Upavishati. He is in the Kata. That means Adhara. That is called as Adhara. Because he says that Adharo Adhikarana is the sutra which defines Adhikarana Karaka. The place where the action take place. The place where the action take place. That is called as Adhara. The reference to the subject or object is called as Adhikarana. According to the rule, The rule of Saptami Adhikarana, Saptami Vibhakti is employed to use the Adhikarana Karaka. They have given the example here. They have given the example, Khagaha Vrukshe Vasanti, Pakshinaha Vrukshe Vasanti. Pakshinaha is the way they have in the Vruksha. The Vruksha Shubd is called as the Adhikarana. That should be used in the Saptami Vibhakti. Because that means Chhatraha Grahe Patham Pathanti. The Chhatraha, the Vidyarthinaha Grahe Patham Pathati. Vidyarthina study in the house. Because Graha Shabda is called as a Adhikarana. It should be in the Saptami Vibhakti. When the action done in the sufficient by the person indicating another one action, that one is at the time happening one action is known as the Adhikarana, another one. Rame vanam gate dasharata pranam utthaya. Ramaha vanam gate, that means Kartru doing the one work according to another one work, the combining both on sentences, the first one is the first Kriya Pada should be used in the Saptami Vibhakti. Surya udite pushpane vikasanti. Another example. Surya udite. Surya is the Adhikarana Karaka. Another one is the udite. By the Surya, the pushpas are uditaha, rising one. Because it should be in the Saptami Vibhakti. Chakarad nantikartaha. They are given this one is that means here the separation part of the multimedia means of the Utklasa, Gunaha, Kriya, action, name. All these should be in the Saptami Adhikarana because that is called as the Adhikarana Karaka. Saptamya Adhikarana. Next one is the Shashti Vibhakti. It is not called as the Karaka. Shashti, Sheshe. Whatever explained in the Karaka, that which one is not in the Karaka, everything is come under this one is the Karaka Pratipadhikarta Vetirikta Swaswami Bhavadi Sambandha Shesha Atra Shashtihi. Point out here, Swaswami Bhava Sambandhadi. That means the Swaswami Bhava Sambandha, the Shashti Sutra explain about the remaining cases of the Vibhaktis. That implies the relation. That is Swaswami Bhava Sambandha. The relational was Guru Shishya Sambandha, Seva Sevaka Sambandha, Jana Janaka Sambandha, Avayava Abhakti Sambandha, Guni Sambandha. All these are should be in the Shashti Bhakti. Krishnasya Bhagini Subhadra. Here is the Karaka. Krishnasya Bhagini Subhadra. Ramasya Patni Sita. Sita is the Ramasya Patni. That one is the Swaswami Bhava Sambandha. That Rajasya Purusha, Rajna Purusha. This is also Swaswami Bhava Sambandha. This is the Shashti Vibhakti. Here, this one is the most important, this one chapter for the find the error. And we may go to the long question also. Guru, for example, general examples, which one is we find in the error? Guru Nama. It is wrong one. Correct one is the Gurave Namaha. That one is another one. Mata Putram Sparshati. Mata Putraya. That one is the Chaturthi Bhakti. Putraya Smrahati. Dukkena Mukhena Dantaha Patanti. Here, Dantaha separated from the Mukha. That means Mukhat Dantaha Patanti is the correct one. Then Indram Swasti. That one is we find in examination. That is the Indraya Swasti. That one is another one is the Alam Bhayena. That means Alam Bhayena. Not this one. Alat Analat Bhayena. Like this one is the Rushayaha Vanat Vasanti. Not like this one. Rushayaha Vane Vasanti. Vanat ne Vana Vasanti. Like this one. We will find the examples from this one in the error. Find general popular examples. I repeated here. If time is available, I will send the so many sentences. Which one is we find in the which Doshan Pariharatu or correct the sentence. This is about the Karaka Prakarana. Totally, there are 6 Karakas: Kartru, Karma, Karana, Adhikarana, Sampradana, Apadanadi, Shat Karakas are there. Study these sutras are whichever the showed in the screen. These sutras are by hearting is the necessary. When you in the examination, if you write the sutrata, then only will get the marks. Generally, if we write like this one is the Prathama is the Kartukaraka, Ditya is the Karmakaraka, Tritya is the Karanakaraka, Chaturthi is the Sampradanakaraka, Panchami is the Apadanakaraka, Saptami is the Adhikaranakaraka. If we write like this one, we will not get the marks. We will not get them. If they ask the Ditya and Chaturthi Karaka, then write what is the Karaka. For example, what is the Karaka? Write the Ditya and Chaturthi Karaka. Then explanation of meaning of the Karaka is the most important one. And then Tritya or Chaturthi, whatever they ask this one, Sutra, Sutartha, example is the most necessary. Explanation of example is the most most important. For example, Vipraya Gam Dadati. Chaturthi is that. Vipraya is the Chaturthi Karaka. That means he is the recipient. Like this one, we will explain all these things. Then only you will get the marks. By writing of all these sutras is the necessary. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.